Hello everyone, this is Elise Georgioulis. I'm the Graduate Studies Librarian here at Del Val, and this tutorial will be how to navigate the library's website and how to get to databases and research guides. So I'm going to start out at delval.edu, and it looks like you can see my search box up here. Okay, make sure. A little better. Alrighty, so I'm going to click Library right down here in the bottom left. And here's our library homepage. I really encourage you to bookmark this if you have not. Everything we ever do in a tutorial will start from the library's webpage. So it'll always jump in and already be there. And our URL won't change, so if you don't like to bookmark things but you like to write it down, definitely write that down somewhere. Okay. So the number one things that I think are the most important on our homepage are the search box right here. That search box links to our database called Discovery, and Discovery has dozens of our other databases within it. It has a variety of topics like education, psychology, so much, business, marketing. I'm sure I'm missing tons because it has probably 24 databases in it and we only have like 55 databases. So there's a lot in there. So it's a great place to start your research right here. And below in this green box is the database list. I'll click it and you'll see we have generally around 55 databases at any given time. And they're all in here. So you could browse by subjects by clicking all subjects. And then, for example, business administration, you see there are 14 databases that are the best suggestions for business. Maybe they're directly related to business, or maybe they're just have a few business things in it. These mostly look very direct to business. So Nexus Uni would be primarily law, but still, appropriate in the business world. EBSCO ebook education collection, not quite business-like, but a lot in here are best bets. Okay. If you don't want to do that, you could always click on the letter of the database you want. So for example, if you do want Nexus Uni, which is our law database, you could click N, and here we go. Okay. It used to be called LexisNexis, if that sounds familiar. So let's go back to the library homepage. And I'll click Research Guides next, right here in yellow. So many of your classes have a research guide. It's a website created by a librarian, and it has appropriate resources for that specific class. So you could always use the search box to type in your professor's last name, right? Or you could search by subjects. So you click Business Administration right here. Okay, let's try this. I typed in the last name, Babic, and you'll see here are lots of potential research guides for Professor Babic's classes. Okay, and so when you find the one you want, I think most of these are marketing management. I'm not sure if there are any different ones. Let's go ahead and click marketing management. And I'll click the home page, and here's Professor Babic's marketing management research guide. And you could also bookmark this. That URL will not change. Okay. Other helpful things on the library's website, you could always ask for help right here. If you ever want a book, whether a physical book or an ebook, you could click Book and DVD Catalog, okay, to get here. And there's also a variety of things over here on the left. Research help. Sometimes it's helpful to see a complete list of our journals. So perhaps you need to see if we purchase the Wall Street Journal. You could click on Journals by Title and search Wall Street Journal to see if we have it. We also have something right here called Interlibrary Loan. And this means that if we don't have an item you need, we will try very hard to get it from another library, even if that means purchasing it. So don't hesitate to reach out to Interlibrary Loan if you need something that we don't own. Okay. those are most of the items people use every day at the library on the website, but we're happy to walk you through this one-on-one or via the phone or web chat, whatever is best for you. If you ever want to reach out to us, you could just click here, Ask a Librarian. I think that's the quickest way. There's a few ways to get in touch with us, and you could also click Staff Directory to get my contact information, reach out to me directly right here, Elise Georgioulis. Okay. All right, thanks for watching and take care, everyone.